Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw columns in ETABS. To begin, locate and click on the Draw Beam/Columns/Brace Objects icon, typically found on the left-hand toolbar. Next, a Properties window will appear. Here, you'll select the specific column section you wish to draw from the drop-down list. Finally, ensure you choose the correct drawing type, like straight line, which allows you to place columns individually or in a continuous sequence with just a few clicks. Before you start drawing, it's crucial to have your column properties properly defined. Navigate to the Define menu, then Section Properties, and ensure all your desired column sections are already set up. Here, you can specify important details like the material properties, perhaps a concrete strength of 4,000 psi, or the exact dimensions, such as a 12-inch by 24-inch rectangular column. Having these ready saves significant time during the modeling process. Now, let's draw. With the Draw Column tool active, you have a couple of efficient methods. For individual placement, simply click once at each grid intersection where a column is needed. To draw many columns quickly, click and drag a selection box over the desired grid intersections. ETABS will automatically place columns at each point within the box. Always double-check the column's local axis to confirm its orientation is correct, perhaps rotated 90 degrees if necessary. After drawing your columns, it's essential to review and refine your model. Select a column and right-click to verify its assigned properties and ensure everything is accurate. For columns that repeat on multiple stories, utilize the powerful Replicate command to copy them vertically, saving you countless clicks. If any column needs a slight adjustment, use the Edit menu's Move or Align functions for precise repositioning, ensuring your structural model is perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.